Planet Earth is a home for an enormous number of different organisms, from the largest types like whales and dolphins to the very tiny ones like insects. But despite the differences, all living things on Earth have one thing in common. They cannot survive alone. To be able to grow and flourish, living things need the support of an ecosystem. So what is an ecosystem? An ecosystem is what we call all the things that interact in a specific area, both living and non-living. The non-living parts of an ecosystem include things like sunlight and temperature, air and wind, water and soil. The living parts of an ecosystem are the plants and animals in it. The non-living parts of an ecosystem combine to create the conditions that will determine what kinds of organisms will be able to survive there. You won't be able to find corals in the desert or cactus in the oceans because the conditions are not suited for their existence. In an ecosystem, three main groups of organisms exist: the producers, consumers, and decomposers. Producers make their own food, usually through a process called photosynthesis. Plants are the most obvious examples of producers. Without the producers, no animal will be able to survive. That's because all animals are consumers, which means that they rely on the producers for food because they cannot make their own food. Finally, there are the decomposers, which are generally bacteria and fungi. They consume dead plants and animals and break them down into nutrients that are released into the soil. These nutrients are used by producers like plants to help them grow.
Created using Powtoon.